So guys, this is GimmickBox, and I had this thought of building up our website today. Me and my team had been wanting this for a while, and it hit me today. How about doing it for free? I did some research today and found out that I could. So let's see what I did in this video. So welcome again. I'm in my room right now, and we all know that free hosting services are available everywhere. If you don't know, you know it now. But what about domain? Can I get it for free? Well, turns out an organization in my country, Mercantile Communications, provides a service to do so. So I just signed up and checked to see if a domain is available for me. Now keep in mind guys, we tried this before we made this video, and we used one of my team members' detail for this. Since registering requires a scanned copy of citizenship, so we tried to see if it works, and we'll show some screenshots because it is less of a tutorial. So it took some days to register a domain completely, and I mean for verification by them and more. But after it got verified, we had a domain to work with. Now the next thing was name servers thing. For a free hosting service, we used 000 Web Host. 000 Web Host offers a way to link the site with our domain name. We did it exactly that, and boom, our site is working at our own domain. So guys, you too could do the same. I mean, yes, it's free, and you might think some downsides to it, but for poor college students like us, we can't really go out of our expenses to do so with paid service and paid registration. So this was a quick video in our new format, and we'll be making more videos like this, the 2019 style, in the coming days as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are not subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.